Okay, so this is how to study for physics, and I'm gonna break it down for you guys, okay? And I'm gonna also break it down on how to actually solve the question on the exam. So a lot of the physics preparation is basically just understanding and practicing. And by understanding, I mean you need to know conceptually what everything means. If I'm like, oh, draw a free body diagram, you should be able to draw the free body diagram with all of the forces without even thinking about it. Like, it should be second nature to you, okay? If I'm like, what is work? It's not force times displacement. What is work? What is work? Give me the definition. You have to know exactly what you're doing and exactly what everything means conceptually so that you can build to solve the problem. So if you're trying to study for your physics midterm or your physics whatever the fuck, and you're like, okay, I don't know where to start, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna ask yourself, do you even know what this means? Do you even know what a magnetic field is? Like, if you don't, go back. Two, once you have that, make sure you have all of the formulas. So these, okay, if you go to a higher level institution and you study physics, you know that you have formula sheets because the exam is going to be fucked. So when you have a formula sheet, that's your time to write down every single formula that you need. And if you're not allowed to, like me in high school, I wasn't allowed to have formula sheets. Obviously, you're going to remember them, but if you have a formula sheet, you know it's going to be hard. So write down your formulas and square them, okay? This is how I did it. Every single formula I have, wait, like formula, like highlight it. Make sure you highlight your formulas. Make sure there isn't a single formula that you missed, okay? So if you're gonna make notes for physics, it's gonna be write down the formulas. And then once you've written down the formulas, you need to describe what the formulas are for. You need to know what the formulas are used for. Not just what each variable stands for, but why the relationship is what it is. And it's really good to be like, okay, why am I using this formula or what does this formula mean? Because if you understand the conceptuals, the formulas should make